Parrot beak attachment drum handling beak manufacturing in Satya Forklift. Now we are assembling 10 numbers for our one customer. These are in assembling process now. 10 numbers Parrot beak attachment drum handling beak for our one valued customer. These are all assembling after proper testing and trial by our forklift. This frame, one by one we fitted this Parrot beak in this frame and we tested it. After testing only, this is in assembling process now after painting work. Where there is drum fitting, drum available, 200 liters MS drum. We taken trial on this drum of this Parrot beak attachment, 10 numbers.